Friends, today we will learn about some important settings of a Facebook account. Because as I have explained you before as well, that whenever we start a Facebook ads, then we need a strong account for it, right? We need a strong account. Maximum times people use their old accounts for running ads which are already very strong, secure and safe. But when we create new accounts, there are some important settings that we need to do so that our account can be protected from being hacked, restricted and disabled. If any problems arise in the future, like suspension issues, then we can resolve them. These are important settings, make sure to pay attention to them. Grasping the basics in this important video will help you run your business smoothly. Currently, I'm here on a Facebook account and this account is completely new. And I'm teaching you from scratch, from the starting, so that it will be clear for you. You can learn as a beginner and everything is in detail for you. So here, as you all can see on the screen, that when we click here on the top right side of the page, yes, right there on my profile picture, can you see? There's an option here for settings and privacy. We'll click on it and go to settings. When we go to the settings, we have many options given on the left side and in the front in the screen as well. Basically, if you look in the front, it shows the same options that most people use, like blocking. If you would like to block someone or you would like to block a list, then here's the option given to you. Now see the activity log. Where was our account opened and all of the activities that happened? You can manage all of that here. You can switch between the light and the dark modes, whichever you want to. But you'll find the major settings here. You can see here that the personal details are in the Meta account center. If we have to discuss about personal details, then here is the profile. Here we can set up the account. If you want to add your Instagram account so that you can see everything from one place, right? Cross-posting and all these things can be done from Instagram. You can add it from here. If you add an account, then it will take you to this page where you can enter your Instagram details and then you can add the account. Okay, let's go back now. See here, the option of sharing across profiles has come under the connected experience. So the accounts that are added will be shown here as well. We can share things here. Like, let's say I'm posting something on my Facebook profile in my page. So that post will be shared there as well. So by doing this way, you can again log in with your account. So here, as you can see, that you can also add different and multiple accounts. I am explaining basic features as you may not know. Password and security are the most important things because from here you can alter and change your passwords, etc. Here we will click on the two-factor authentication. Securing your account is very important. It's the most important thing. Here you have to enter the password. You have to enter it here. When it asks for password, enter your password and confirm it once. Here you have the option that you need to authenticate yourself through your app, either by text message on whatever number you choose, or if you need a security key, the most convenient option I think is. So now rest is your choice. You can just click text message or click next and enter phone number you want to send it to. See, just like I've entered a phone number here. And now I will click next. Okay. So as soon as I enter it here and click on next, so finally a code will be sent to my number. That code number, let's see it, it can be seen here. The code that is received is here. I have entered the code, click next. Now as soon as I click next, here the two-way authentication factor is turned on. Now friends, I can say that my account is pretty secure here. Okay. Use this phone number to help make connections. Can this number be used for building new connections on Facebook? And I mean like with people, it happens when people who are connected to our number. Our data shows up on Facebook. As we resemble Facebook users who request to be our friends and send requests, we become more visible in each other's feeds and expand our connections. Use this number. Okay, as I instructed you to use this number, so I have used it here. So here friends, as you can see, it is given saved login. Now what does save login mean? You have saved your login details. Now you don't have to enter them again to open your Facebook account. You are getting my point, right? Okay, so You can remove the account if you don't wish to do this. It depends on you. If you are logging in into someone's system, then you can do it there. Okay. Now here where you are logged in. Okay, wherever you have logged in currently, it's showing in my MacBook. I have a new account and haven't opened it on any new system or phone yet. Else it would have shown me the entire history of the places where I opened it. Besides that, you can do things like login alerts, recent emails, security checkups, all from here. If we talk about the personal details, then all the personal details can be checked here. The identity confirmation. Here we have to confirm your identity. Here are a few steps which I have to follow if I have to confirm my identity. Now to do that, I will click on Get Started. Running ads on social issues. If I'm doing things related to social issues and political ads, so I'm here on Protect Your Account, none of the above. So why am I giving my identity here? To protect my account, or if I'm running any kind of social issues or political ads. For both the purposes, it's necessary to provide your identity proof. Let's say in future you're running an ad on such an issue. It's just that there are many critical things coming in it, due to which Facebook doesn't allow it easily without verification. Without verification, your accounts can be suspended, disabled, restricted. So for that you can add your identity, country, everything here. Everything can be added here. I will teach and explain this later. If I have to add my identity to protect my account, I need to protect it right. So all of these things right here. If the two-way authentication is on for the account, then I will be receiving an SMS on my number. So all of these things are covered here. Now friends, let's go back and close this page for now and move on. The rest I will teach you in the next upcoming video on how to bring your identity for political ads or social issue campaign if you are running any of that. All right friends. Now we are here in your information and permission section. Click on the option Access Your Information. So here is my information. So I can access from here what Facebook activities did I do. What did I do on Facebook? My personal information related to my connections. My login information, security and login. Apps and websites of Facebook, preferences, ads information. There are so many things I can see from here I can do. So all this has come to one place. You might not need all these things at the start as you have a new account, but you should know where you can find that, because you might need that feature in the future or if you face any issues later on. Let's close this now. Here it's download your information, transfer a copy of your information. Let's say you have any data inside Facebook which you need to save. It could be your photos or videos. Let's say if at all your account is closed or restricted ever in the future, your valuable data may be lost. So you can download it. And in addition to that, you can make copies of the valuable data. And you can do anything and everything, as everything is under your control because it is your account. One should know how to do it. So in addition to that, the search history is located right here. It will show you all the searches you are making. It will show you all the things that you are looking for. You wish to delete your search history. You don't like to show what you have searched for. To do so, click on Clear All Searches. Your activity of Meta Technologies. So here we can see all our activities right here. Okay. But friends, all these things I won't be able to show you in detail right now because my account is new and is being created properly. As we keep using and this account gets older, or if you are using an old account or running ads already, then you can see all those things here. We won't go to ad preferences now, we will do it later. We'll also teach you how to use Facebook Pay. Facebook Pay means how you can receive money through Facebook, like how you earn through AdSense, but this one will have a separate detailed tutorial in this course. Because we'll explain each and every important feature in a separate tutorial so that you have a clear understanding of that particular feature. Now here besides that, okay, as you can see we have privacy checkup, supervision, default audience settings. Reaction privacy settings, notification settings are important settings, like notifications. Now what type of notifications you want to keep on SMS and email? How do you do all those things? Let's say for comments. So these are okay, these are the notifications for the comments that you will receive on your post, which are the comments or replies on your post where you will be receiving these notifications. It should be notified to you through post, pop-up, email or SMS. You can disable or enable notifications for all three or for a particular one or for both from here. This way all these notifications are at your choice. How and where do you want them or you do not want them at all. So you can do all these things. In the same way friends, accessibility. As you can see here, these options enhance the accessibility on the Facebook app for its users. Display dark mode, keyboard, assistive technology settings, video and motion settings. So you can see all these things here, okay. Everything that needs to be done can be seen from here. Language and region settings. If you need to change language or region settings, you can also do it from here. All options are available here. If you have any media related settings like video settings, you need to change them to default quality, okay. Here you would like to keep it in SD or HD, it's your choice, it's up to you. Keeping it default is better. Let Facebook do the changes. Dark mode on off, you can do it all. Friends, as you can see, the profile details and everything will be right here. How people can find you and contact you. The things related to the posts are here. I will explain, it's important. Here is the post. Now who can see your future post? If anyone can see your post, make it public. If you want only your friends to see, then make it only friends. Friends, except a few friends, do not show to the other friends. You can enable that option if you want to. Specific friends, you can enable that too. All these options are available. Use them as per your needs and requirements. Same goes to stories and reels, okay? You can block whoever you want to. End profile and tagging. I've explained you the activity log before. Okay, so if you need to do business integrations, let's say you would like to integrate something with your Facebook account. All those options are also available, but we will skip them for now because we are focusing on the Facebook ads now. I will highlight some important key settings for you. As mentioned earlier, I've shared the details on access information already. So these were some basic and important settings of Facebook. So whichever feels required for you. You can do it as per your need, but provide Facebook with proper identification like your Aadhaar card or anything that's needed. So that you know you don't face any problems in running any kind of ads which are sensitive in nature, okay. Let's say if your account closes later in the future, you will need to verify your ID to resolve any issues. Ensure that your ID matches the one that is associated and linked with your Facebook account. So the two-way authentication, notifications and posts, whom to be visible and whom not to, all these are the things to be remembered. Some things that I've told you on Facebook or other options, we'll teach them later in the future. I hope you understood the settings well. Apply them as per your needs and conveniences. Stay tuned and learn from this course. Thank you.